down.
It is, because we've got a lot of news, and some of these things are definitely right up Steven's alley. So we're going to go ahead and jump in and start talking about the very first story, which was from our friends at VAST Data, because they have a huge partnership announcement with CoreWeave to the tune of $1.17 billion. It is a major step forward in AI infrastructure. The multi-year deal makes CoreWeave VAST's largest customer and expands the use of VAST's AI operating system, which unifies storage, caching, and data services to support large-scale GPU clusters. As AI workloads grow, this agreement shows that fast, reliable storage is becoming just as important as any of the compute power. Experts now expect storage to make up between 3 and 5% of total AI infrastructure spending, which is signaling its importance in the GenAI era. Stephen, you are intimately familiar with VAST Data, and as AI continues to grow, how does this deal help VAST Data position itself in the industry?
Well, obviously, by having VAST sign such a major customer, such a critical one for AI, it gives them a real leg up in terms not just of being part of the AI infrastructure space, but in sort of cementing their future in that space as well, because essentially they instantly become one of the most important components of the stack. I expect that this will be this will continue to be an accelerator for VAST Data's growth. And frankly, just on the face of it, it's nice to have such a big customer. The flip side of, I suppose, is that it makes VAST even more reliant on the AI infrastructure world and on CoreWeave specifically. But I guess there's worse partners to connect yourself to. And frankly, if the checks are cashing, the money's flowing, sounds like a good move for them. One of the things that caught my eye of this announcement, though, is that it's not just VAST supplying storage to support CoreWeave. It's that they're going to be using some of the special features of the VAST platform for this. Now, way back when VAST announced that they were going to be more than storage, and they said that they were going to have data, they were going to have a event broker that they could use to support applications with structured data. They had Kafka, native Kafka interface. My question for VAST at the time was essentially, that's cool technology, but is somebody really going to use this, and is it really that much better than just using native? And the answer is absolutely yes. In fact, VAST claims that they're about 10 times better at handling Kafka requests on the same hardware as just running Kafka natively, which is really a major advantage. And again, the importance of this shouldn't be understated. It shows that VAST's pivot away from traditional storage and into data applications and AI integration is not just functional, but it's really beneficial to customers. And so for that reason, I think this says more actually in terms of the benefit to VAST than you might think, even beyond the fact that they now have a $1 billion customer.